Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my beautiful students, today, inshallah, we will finish Unit 5 and we will take together Unit 5, Lesson 4. Okay? First of all, let me tell you the day and the date of today. Today is what, girls? Today is Monday and the spelling is Monday. What about the date? The date is 9 5 1443 after Hijrah, okay? Now, girls, we will take a quick revision and after that, we will start my own lesson for today, okay? First of all, girls, if I ask you, the past of go is goes, went, or going, of course, the past of go is went. Went. What about what time is it? What time is it? It is 2:10, it is 2:15, it is 2:30. Of course, the right answer is it is 2:10. Number 3. How many hands are there in the clock? There are 4 hands, there are 3 hands, there are 2 hands. The right answer is there are 2 hands. Then, how can you ask about time? We can ask about time using what time is it or what is the time, okay? As I told you girls, today we will take Unit 5, Lesson 4, page 40 and 41. And we will start with a quick revision using the time, okay? So focus with me. Please, my beautiful students, it's very important to know how to say the time in English. Here we have a clock. If the minute hand is on number 12, we will say o'clock. Number 2, 5. 2, 10. 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 25, 6, 30, 7, 35, 8, 40, 9, 45, 10, 50, 11, 55. Another way to say the time, we have to start if the minute hand is on number 12, we will say o'clock. If it's on number 1, we will say 5 past, for example, 1, 5 past 2, 5 past 4, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, half past, 25 to, 22, quarter to, 10 to, 5 to. Girls, you have to draw the clock and how to say the time in English in your notebook, okay? It's very important to write how to say the time in your notebook. Now we will start my main lesson for today, and it's about parts of speech definition. What do I mean by parts of speech definition? Parts of speech definition are used in traditional grammar for one of 9 main categories into which words are classified according to their function in a sentence. So word types can be divided into nouns أسماء, verbs أفعال, adjectives صفات, adverbs حال. Okay? An adjective, now we will start the adjectives and the adverbs. What do I mean by an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, she is long, he is tall, they are happy, we are sad. So, give me examples using adjectives. We have beautiful, long, tall, big, small, ugly, noisy, and quiet. So, if I ask you, give me examples using adjectives, you have to say, for example, beautiful, long, tall, big, small, ugly, noisy, or quiet. Okay? What about an adverb? An adverb describes a verb or an adjective or another adverbs. Give me examples using adverbs. We have quickly, carefully, slowly, politely, happily, easily, strongly, and beautifully. Usually, girls, the adverb end with ly. So usually the adverb ends with ly. For example, she walks quickly. She walks slowly. Now, write words that start with SH, CH, or PH. For example, chip, phone, show, cheese, and pharmacy. Now, open your book, please, my lovely students. Write the day with the date. After that, listen, please. You have to listen. Now, listen, girls.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
Listen to words that end in NK, NG, and CK. Think, ring, rock.
Think, ring, rock.
Good.
So, exercise to listen number and write NK, NG, or CK.
Exercise 2. Listen, number, and write NK, NG, or CK.
3.
Clock.
2. Spring.
So, 2, you have to write number 2 here. Then NG. NG. 2, NG, spring.
Spring. 3. Thick. Thick. 2. Swing. Swing.
Right here. 3 and CK. Here, write 2 and NG.
1. Drink. Drink. 1. Ink. Ink. 3. Back. Back. 2. Wing. Wing.
You have to do
Are you
this exercise, girls, after listening, okay? Now, can you write the words beside the pictures? Listen.
Challenge time. Exercise 3. Can you write the words beside the pictures?
1. Is this a whale? Is this a whale? Yes, it is. 2. Do you like cheese? Do you like cheese? Yes, I do. 3. Is he on the ship? Is he on the ship? Yes, he is. 4. Can you call me on the phone? Can you call me on the phone? Okay. 5. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. 6. Do you see a shark? Do you see a shark? Yes, I do.
So, your homework in the activity book will be page 109 and 110. Listen and spell the word.
Rule 39. I can say, spell, and write words that end in NG, spring, NK, think, CK, clock. 1. Listen and spell the words. 1.
Ring, ring. Did you say R-I-N-G?
2.
Rock, rock.
Girls, listen and write in the space.
Did you say R-O-C-K?
3.
Spring, spring. Did you say S-P-R-I-N-G?
4.
Back, back. Did you say B-A-C-K?
5.
wing, wing. Did you say W-I-N-G?
6,
Ink, ink. Did you say I-N-K?
So, read and answer the questions. Circle yes or no. Here, SH says sheep, ship, shark. You can do this exercise by yourself, girls. Write 2 words starting with the letters SH, CH, PH, WH by yourself. You can do it by yourself, girls. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.